Hi guys, this is Harish Kumar. Welcome to my channel Electrical Library. Before going to start learning the subjects of electrical engineering, it is very important to know how this electrical branch has evolved. For that matter, before going to start knowing how this electrical engineering has evolved, we need to see the evaluation of engineering itself and their need and its uses. Before going to start knowing these three, let me ask two questions. How this universe has evolved? The second question, how this mankind has evolved? Do you know the answer? If your answer is God, that means this universe has been created by God, or this mankind has been created by God. No, you are not thinking in a right direction. In order to know the answers for these questions, you need to go through Big Bang theory for knowing how this universe has created. And for the second thing, you need to go through Darwin theory. Big Bang theory gives a clear idea about how this universe has created, and this Darwin theory gives how this mankind has created. After the evolution of man in the earth, he will have some basic needs, right? What are they? First thing is, he should have some food, water and air. These three, food, water, air, will be freely available in the nature. And the main thing is, he should have some shelter or home, just to escape from the wild elements. Okay, this fourth point gives this. What is that? Home. He should have some shelter, right? That means he should create some home for him. In the rock age itself, man used to create home. There started civil engineering. Okay, after that, machinery has been evolved. After home creation, man started creating his own machinery. There started mechanical engineering. After that, he found out how to get lighting without using fire and all. Okay, there started electrical engineering. After that, in order to communicate between two people, if the distance between the two people is so large, or for example, if your friend is in this town and you are in the another town, there should be communication between these two people. There started communication engineering. Actually, this communication engineering or ECE branch is not a separate branch of engineering. It is a subpart of electrical engineering. Okay? Okay. Next, let us see the common questions among the students. First, which engineering branch is oldest? Which engineering branch is great? Just to answer this, which engineering branch is oldest, you need to know the evolution of engineering, right? Already we have discussed that. This is the evolution process. I have discussed clearly. First, you need to have home. Therefore, civil engineering branch has been evolved. Next, you need to have some machinery to do work. Mechanical branch has been evolved. After that, he found lighting instead of fire. Electrical branch has been evolved. After that, he needs some communication. So, ECE branch has been evolved. So, the oldest branch of engineering is civil. Yes, even though I am electrical engineering guy, I have to admit that civil engineering branch is oldest. Okay. Now the second question is, which engineering branch is great? I have clearly mentioned that engineering is basic need of human. Engineering is basic need of human. How to discriminate whether one particular need is great and another need is not so much great? Each and every need is important for human, right? Therefore, each and every engineering branch is important. We should not question this. Okay, we should not ask this question. Because engineering is itself is need, we cannot discriminate between the needs. Therefore, each and every engineering branch is important depending upon the need. Got my point? Okay.